Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to learn how to block users from signing in to their Office 365 account. Okay, so basically, this comes in handy wherein your user has left the organization, but you want that for time being or for data recovery. The user's account should be there, it should be licensed, but the user should not be able to log in. So, in that scenario, we can just block the signing in from the users, or in case if user is going for a long vacation and for security purposes, you want the user should not be able to sign in into their Office 365 account, then in that scenario, we can block the signing in for the user, or else for auditing purposes or for any other business requirement you want the users or a particular user should not be able to log into their Office 365 account. So in these type of scenarios, this blocking signing in from users account comes in handy. Okay, so let's navigate to Office 365 and let's see in practical how you can block a user from signing into their Office 365 account. So I'm into Microsoft 365 Admin Center and then inactive users. Okay. So I will select one of a user to block the signing in. So for testing purposes, let's select this account, Elena Shepherd. I will click on it. Now, it is very important that before you block the signing in for uh, the user should be signed out from all the devices or all the active sessions, because it might be possible that you have blocked the signing in but the user is already logged in, and there could be possibilities that you could lose some data. The user could churn out some data, like the user could delete or could download anything they want. Okay, so for security purposes, it's always better or recommended to use the signing out feature. So once you click on this sign out of all the sessions, so the users will be signed out from all the active sessions. But again, there is one condition: if user is actively working on something, okay, and the moment user clicks somewhere else, I mean, if the user is not touching the window or anything, the user will stay logged in. But if in case the user navigate away from the window, clicks on a different tab or clicks somewhere else in that particular window, then the moment the user clicks on it, it will be locked out. The session will be expired. And also it depends upon the access token. So the access token could go as long as 1 hour. So as the access token expires, the user will be logged out automatically. Okay. Now we have initiated the sign out for this user. We can now go to this particular feature, which is block signing in. I will just click on block sign in, right? I will select this, and you can also read it out from this tip option. It says that prevent anyone from signing in, okay, when you think that their password or username may have been compromised. And also for additional security, you can also reset their passwords, okay. And you can also say that within 60 minutes, like I said, access token can be active as long as 1 hour. Okay, so the moment access token is active, it can go up to 1 hour, but after that it will shortly locked out. Okay, and I will click on save. So right now the changes are being saved, and now you can see that Alina Shepherd is now blocked from signing in. They will automatically be signed out from all Microsoft services within 60 minutes. Services, it could be Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, okay, any other portals like compliance portal, Azure portal, security portal, Purview portal. So it could be anything. So the user will be logged out from everywhere, okay, and this will also impact the devices as well, like mobile device. If the user is sign in into the Outlook from the mobile devices, then the user will be logged out from their mobile device as well, which is include SharePoint and OneDrive as well. Okay, so we have now blocked the signing in for Elena Shepherd. Now let's check if this user can able to log into their Microsoft 365 account or not, right? And for testing purposes, I already have one incognito window opened up. So I will just click on sign in and let's put that username here. All right, let's sign in. Okay, and let's hit next. Okay, I'll just enter the password. Next. Now you can say it says password is correct, but it's not saying the account is logged. Let me refresh the browser. Okay, let me go once again. Signing in, putting in the username. Next, and I'll hit the password. Enter. Alright, so see, you can see that it says your account has been locked. Contact your support person to unlock it. Then try again. Alright, so this is the actual scenario wherein the user is being blocked, and this is the message the user gets if the user tries to log into their Office 365 account, right? So this is how you block the user's account from signing in, and that's conclude the video. So if you have any doubts, so leave me your doubts in the comment section and do let me know how I am doing in the content wise. And if you do like the content, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.